Flippin', I'm Aaron.
And I'm Megan.
Where we do everything reselling. So today Megan wants to do a 100 list challenge. Lord help me. Lord, really help me.
I think it's going to be fun.
Please like this video. Please consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't already. And I will let Megan take it away.
Okay, so what I did was I woke up and I was like, I need to get rid of some of this inventory. And, you know, we need to make money. So I said, I'm going to do a 100 list challenge today. I'm giving myself till midnight. And what I did is I took boxes and I put 10 items in each box to try to keep me on track time-wise. So each box has 10 items each. They're a mixture of clothes, random stuff, whatever we had in our inventory that needed to be posted. So I'm going to use that to keep me on track, make sure 10 items out the door, posted, listed, out the, you know. So hopefully I'm going to have all the stuff posted by midnight. And a lot of it sold, hopefully, too.
Yeah, that's the name of the game.
So that's our day, 100 post challenge. I just challenged myself. I'm not doing this with anybody. I just decided to challenge myself when I woke up this morning because I have so much inventory everywhere. I thought this would be a good way to get rid of some.
And here's our little station. We'll have video throughout the day of our challenge. Peace for now.
See? He's right here on my side.
Yeah, he's going to help alright. He's going to get in the way is what he's going to do.
He's going to be like, oh, I'll be in the pictures.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Oh. Half of his butt will be in, like, the picture. Right?
Oh, my Lord. Are you giving hugs?
He is. Come get one. He's being generous this morning. Oh, nope. We're not done with the hug.
Alright, so yeah, she's making me a box of stuff to do. Apparently I gotta look these records up, see what they're going for. Alright, so Megan is about a half hour into the 100th list challenge. Let's see what progress she has made. Hey Megan, what progress have you made?
Okay, so like I said, I put everything into boxes of 10, and I made it through one box so far of 10. So, let's see, that took me about 30 minutes. 10 items, 30 minutes.
Okay, we're getting there.
If you go to Marc Jacobs' purse, it comes with a
matching wallet.
Matching wallet.
And it's real, made in Italy.
And it's like the heaviest purse.
Yeah.
This is the heaviest purse I've ever felt. Anyway, this is the last thing from my first box of 10 that I am posting now.
You know what else we need to post? Let me pan around to it.
Oh, the TV?
The TV over there. It needs to get off my nightstand.
I know. So, one box of 10 down, 9 more to go.
Dose. And we will check in a little bit on box number 2. We're running into a technical difficulty. Betty's loose. She's about to tip over.
She's about to tip over. We don't know. So every time that I take photos, I'm always like twisting her. So I don't know if she's...
Yeah, because if you loosen it up, keep on twisting it. Yeah, that's the way you need to twist her to tighter.
But she keeps on leaning. When I take pictures, she's like this.
Too much booze, Betty?
She had a rough night.
Let's look up her skirt real quick.
Oh my god. She's got a little bolts and stuff under there that I tried to tighten, but...
Alright, I'm going to have to stop this so I can try to fix Betty. We just got a piece of good news. What happened, Megan?
I got on here to continue listing, and I got a notification that a pair of pants that I just sold, I just listed 5 minutes ago, just sold.
Bam!
So, out of our 100 listings, I've listed 90 Oh, I'm sorry. I've listed
90.
5. I have 95 left. I've sold 1 so far. Those
That's
are
what
the
you gotta do as a reseller. List, and when you think you've
100
listed, list some more.
listings. 5 are listed. 1 is sold.
Bam!
That's the update.
Alright.
McChicken break.
We're going to get a McChicken. Lunch break. Rex. Will you guys bring me back a McChicken?
I want a McChicken. I want a McChicken.
Meghan, you ready for this McChicken?
Yeah. I'm posting. Listing.
Posting, listing.
While in the drive-thru. I still can't stop because I don't want to.
Don't stop, get it, get it.
Don't stop, get it, get it.
Come on, people. I need a McChicken in my stomach.
Oh my gosh, I'm not even gonna wait till we get home. I'm gonna eat it
No, we're definitely not.
in the car.
Lady working at the McDonald's window had us pull up because apparently she handed off our order of 4 McChickens to somebody else. So somebody's gonna be pretty salty when they realize they got 4 McChickens.
4 McChickens.
Here they come.
Here she comes.
I need a free fry with mine.
I guess they made it twice, so they said you can have both of them.
Ah, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh yeah,
We
8
just got 8
McChickens.
McChickens.
We're in the money now, baby. It's our day. It is our day.
Look, there's fries in here too.
Oh hell yes. That's not McChickens right there in this boxes.
What is this? Hold on.
What was that?
Why would you do that to me?
Are you camera shy? You're not camera shy. By George.
I said by George.
By George.
By George. These are brand new.
I just want everybody to know that she has slowed way down on her photos. I don't know if she's gonna make it.
I will never fail. I just had to take a break after I ate my McChicken.
That was amazing. I see grease on this camera from me trying to record while eating a McChicken. I'm gonna have to wipe that off. Be right back. Apparently now we're trying on the inventory instead of posting it and selling it.
Well, these are listed. I just wanted to see if they fit.
I think she should unlist them and keep them myself because I love them on her.
I'm trying to decide this whole situation.
There's nothing wrong with the whole situation.
I've never really worn distressed jeans like this before.
They look
so
good on you.
I wanted to try them on.
I demand you keep them.
I demand that $5 back that I posted them for.
Alright, I'll give you $5.
Alright.
Deal. Here are the pants we sold. These Adidas. It's time to package them up and ship them out.
Sold within, what, a couple minutes?
Yep. Here's our
Thank you,
lovely thank you card. It says thanks Megan, not
Well,
Aaron.
those were already written out, so I'll change it from now on.
Not Aaron, but both of us. Rex, why are you licking my backpack? Stop licking my backpack, please. Thank you.
Okay. So,
Thank you,
That-
Raul Perez from New York City. Yeah, we're still ghetto and don't have a thermal printer, but that's going to change soon.
I know, Harry Tornado beat Jack Meredith's twin.
Yeah, we'll get over it.
Yeah, we still paid them
Ooh,
all.
what about with my tax money I buy a thermal printer?
Hey,
You don't have to waste money on ink, you can just
I like that idea.
print it and just slap it on there.
I like that idea.
Never have to buy
You
it.
know how much the things are?
Thermal printers?
The things that you have to...
The labels?
Yeah, like are those expensive to roll?
No, you get like hundreds of them for not expensive, like $20 if that.
Plus, I can't find the tape gun. Did we just have it?
Let me stop this video so we don't waste all of our film
I didn't know
on.
you were still filming. What are you doing?
Wasting tape, apparently.
Yeah, you don't need that big of a piece.
I know, it was an accident. It wouldn't. Alright. There you go, Raul.
He is packaging up the very first thing that has sold from our 100 challenge listing. One thing has sold so far, and I've posted about 12
I'm gonna put it in the
things.
mailbox outside.
Alright.
Alright, Megan, tell people the good news.
Okay, we just sold item number 2. So I posted about 12 or 15 things so far. It's been 2 hours, and we sold 2 things in 2 hours, 15 listings out of 100.
And the second item was, the first item was pair of Adidas pants, and the second one was
Coach purse.
a Coach purse. Woo woo.
So far, so good.
Bam. Megan's checking to see if anything else has sold. She's in the zone.
Alright, so I am 25 items listed. 2 have sold and 1 offer. I posted a pair of jean shorts for $10 and I got an offer for $5.
Of course. Are you taking that offer?
What do you think? Should we take it?
I hit him back at 7.
Alright, let's see.
You can't even buy a McDonald's value meal for $5. Come on, people.
Okay, so Facebook Marketplace does not give you the option of countering. It's
Oh,
just
no,
accept or don't accept. So
Ugh.
this was on
I forgot about that.
Facebook Marketplace. They give you 24 hours to either accept or not accept. So
Well,
since I just posted them a few minutes ago, I asked $10. They offered $5. I'm gonna wait and see if I get any full price offers before I accept that because I get 24 hours.
that's why she's the queen. And I'm the jester.
Okay, y'all. I am 34 listings in. We've sold 3 items. I've listed 34. Aaron went to go meet a buyer for a Facebook Marketplace sale, and I stayed here to keep listing. Rex is helping me, but I feel like I'm running out of steam, and I still have so many more. Those are my boxes right now. As you can see, I just finished up box number 2. I've got all those to go. So hopefully I'll get a couple more sales to motivate me to keep on going. And if not, I have about 70 something more to list. So about 70, little less than 70 to list. So wish me luck, and hopefully we can keep making sales while I list these things to keep me going. Got till midnight.
Megan's finishing up listing or photoing. I'm ordering food for us because we're starving.
What is it? What do you get? Oh, Fessler's. I
Yes.
almost called it
Pasquale's.
Pasquale's.
That's old school.
Okay. Quick update. I'm close to, I think I'm at 57 listings. Sold 3, 1 offer. So close to 40 to go. And
You
it's
sold 3 things today, right?
yeah.
If you're,
And it's $4.49. I'm definitely getting this.
Yep. And I will show a picture of what I took. I forgot to do it before I left. I sold a leather jacket and a purse. And the lady was going to wait till tomorrow, but I was like, no, I'll drive it to you. We need that cheddar.
Cheddar.
We need that cheddar bob.
Yeah, we're a little low on funds right now, so he went and delivered it to her instead of waiting. And I sat here and posted. I was at 34 when he left, and now I'm close to 60. So.
Bam.
Oh, I'm so full. So we just got done eating.
I can't
got-
talk.
What?
I can't breathe, but go ahead.
Oh my god, I know. It's so good. We just got this local place called Fessler's right by our house, down the street. They have, what did you call it, Italian?
Yeah.
It's pizza and hoagies, and it's a really old, family-owned place that is just so good. But when you eat there, you, like, stuff yourself so full. Oh, anyway. So while we were eating, I just picked up my phone, and during the time that we were eating, we got 2 more orders.
Bam.
We sold a Nike golf shirt and an Under Armour long sleeve polo shirt.
So that's 5 sales today?
So 5 sales so far, and I'm about close to 60 listings in, and it's 5:37 p.m. So I'm definitely getting this before midnight, and that's for sure. But to see how many sales we get out of this 100 posts will be the question. So right now we're 5 in, so hopefully by the end of the night, a few more.
I can't breathe. I have nothing to say.
He's so full. This food is so good, but oh, you eat too much. Alright, alright, so we'll give you another update soon. 5 sales, 57 listings, and I'm going to keep on going as soon as I let this food digest.
Bam. As soon as I stopped the last segment, we had yet another sale.
Yes. So, what is it?
6.
6 sales.
Yep.
And I'm getting ready to get up and after my dinner, oh, made me feel so heavy and full. I'm gonna photo a bunch more things and then sit and list a bunch more things and see how many I can get done. It's 5:45 and I only have about 35 more listings to do. So I got this.
Bam. 6 sales today. We'll take it.
6 sales. And once we get to the full 100 listings, I'll see how many sales by the end of the night, by midnight, we get out of that 100 that I listed. And we'll see what kind of percentage we got.
Alright, so tell us the last update.
All right. All 100 listings are posted, listed, photoed, and off to hopefully be sold. So it is 8:50. I just finished them all.
Impressive.
All 100 are listed. And we haven't had any sales since the last update. So we've only had...
No, we had 7.
We have had 7 sales.
We had 1 since the last update.
Okay, so, yeah, okay, one sale since last. We had 7 altogether, but I just got done posting the last bunch right now. So, I'm still probably going to have to give you one more update as to...
Really?
Well, from the 100 that I've posted today.
Oh, yeah. I said how many...
Because it's only 8:50 now. I went up until midnight from whatever I posted today. There could be more sales tonight.
Oh, yeah. True.
So, I might possibly have to give you another update. We have till midnight for me to, like, get a full tally of what I posted and how many sales we got from what I posted just today. But since it just got finished, I don't know. There's still a couple hours left in...
There is. There's still 3 hours left. And we've had 7 sales today, so we'll take that every day.
Yeah. We had a couple that were not included in my 100 posting today. Previous listings.
Yeah.
As well.
2 of them.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, 2. I listed a leather jacket and a purse a while ago. Probably a month and a half ago. And
It was kind of random.
It was very random.
Yeah, I had one sale from a previous listing that was posted for a while too. It was a purse that I listed a long time ago. But from the 100 that I posted starting this morning until now, so far there's 7. So at midnight, we'll see how many actually listed today sold from that bunch.
But this might be the last update if we don't sell anything else. So
I think so, because
please,
that was exhausting.
Like this video. Please consider subscribing. Follow us on Instagram. And my hat's off to Meghan.
I don't regret it at all. It was a lot of fun in the moment of it. But now that I'm done...
She's tired.
I'm tired. It was exhausting. I can't lie. But I don't regret it. It was fun. I had fun challenging my own self. So.
All right, y'all. If we don't update again, thanks for watching.
Night.